Exactly a full week after deliberations in the murder trial of a federal agent began, still no verdict. But the strategies on how to persuade jurors started long before the Christopher Deedy trial even began. KITV4's Laurie Amata shares some insight from an expert on what it takes to build and win a case.
You've probably heard of the phrase, it's a slam dunk case, but experts we talked to say not only is there no such thing, but the strategies on how to win can change day by day.
I spoke with jury consulting expert Marshall Hennington in California, who's managed everything from big corporate to criminal cases. He says jury selection is key to a case, including weeding out what he calls stealth jurors, jurors who are on the panel for the wrong reasons, such as fame or sabotage. Hennington says he's unfortunately come across many jurors who, for various reasons, are willing to lie about why they're there. A critical point, making sure not only your client but your witnesses come across as credible, believable, likable, and can stick to what you want the theme of your case to be. The goal, making sure jurors connect to your case.
It has to do with the art of persuasion. It has to do with, what is the story of your case. It also has to do with who your audience is going to be and if they're going to buy that story. And that's why jury selection is so extremely important. Because if you have the wrong audience, but you think that you have the right story, it doesn't matter. They're not going to be persuaded.
Hennington says murder cases are notoriously difficult to predict. Case in point, the recent Trayvon Martin murder trial. Despite most predictions, the jury acquitting shooter George Zimmerman.
Hennington says he's seen cases turn for the simplest reasons. A juror didn't like the way the defendant dressed or felt they were speaking down to them, and so on. Now, as for why deliberations may take longer, in his experience, he says it's typically as few as 1 or 2 jurors opposing the group. Deliberations resume on Monday. Back to you.